So apologies, the previous video was interrupted by a young child needing her father. So what I was talking about is the acidity of the different hydrogens on a ring system like this. So again, hopefully you can see that removing hydrogens at the 1 position, you can get full delocalization through the pi system. You have no delocalization through the pi system at 2. And 3, you also get full delocalization of the electrons through the pi system. And hopefully you can see that. Okay. 4, I think what the main thing you need to be able to see with 4 is, again, that you get very little delocalization. You cannot delocalize these electrons through the pi system. 5 is the one that is a little bit confusing and has confused people, is that you can delocalize the electrons at 5 through the carbonyl pi system. But you would get something that would look like this. And this functionality is something that's called an allene. I think that the only thing that I would hope that you would recognize from this is from this allene system is that these 2 pi bonds cannot be overlapping to have a continuous pi system. They're going to be orthogonal to one another. So hopefully you can recognize that. The final question in the pKa question was, in problem set 4, question 5, the last sentence of the answer, you said B is more basic than C because that's just a typographical error. In the beginning of this, in the beginning of the question and the answer to the question suggests that C is the most basic amine followed by B and A is the least basic amine. And so this is just so C, it should say C is more basic than B. So it was just a typographical error.